HYPR stock analysis and price predictions for Friday. Is Hyperfine stock a buy? I'm going to be breaking all this down in this brief short 1-minute video. Now, as the only persona that has done this for 5 years and 43,000 videos documented and showing you what's working and what's not, I can definitely tell you no one else come even close to do these exact numbers. With this thing in particular, it's pumping. So are most of the tickers. So how would I act on this? Well, honestly, I would again follow this. It's coming down from this supply zone, kind of gapped up out of nowhere. But if you really follow it from a weekly chart, just that's the supply. And since it's just very juicy, there's really nothing stopping me from buying more. But let's look at the broader picture here. Pumps and dumps are a big fact of this. Like, let's not pretend. So if there is a double break, I'm willing to take it further down. So that's how HYPR is looking like. Waiting for rules, and if you want to get my money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. See you in the next